Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create pro level editing on CapCut Mobile, especially on how to create amazing transition using masking feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. Then for example, I'm just going to use photos from my device. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to add the photo to my project, and I'm going to add my second photo. I'm going to go to the overlay, add overlay, and for the second photo I'm gonna go with this one. Click on add and I'm going to zoom in to make it bigger like this. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can create amazing transition using mask feature in the CapCut Mobile. So I'm going to add mask to my second photo. Go to the mask option, select the mirror, and then I'm going to close the mask like this, and I'm going to create like opening transition using this mask feature. Okay, and then I'm going to use this keyframe to create the transition. Tap on the keyframe and make sure you apply the mask like this on the first position, and then go to the end part of your photo, and then you can create opening effect like this. Oops, sorry guys. You can also adjust the feather. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to check it guys. Okay, like this. And wait, I'm going to go back to the mask to make it better. I think the opening is not that good, so I'm going to make it like this. All right, and this is the final result. Okay, now the amazing transition effect has been created guys, and we only need mask and also keyframe to create this kind of transition for our video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create pro level editing in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, or leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.